Today, we're going to take you through how to add your Integra receiver into a Sonos home sound system. Here's what you'll need to get started. Works with Sonos Certified Integra Receiver. Sonos Connect. The RCA audio cable supplied with Sonos Connect. And the Sonos app downloaded to your phone or tablet. Before we begin, set up your Sonos Connect using the Sonos app and ensure that your Integra receiver is connected to the same network as your Sonos. Using the RCA audio cable supplied with your Sonos Connect, plug the output of the Sonos Connect into an available input on the back of your Integra receiver. We'll use CD for our setup. Do not use the phono input. Press the Setup button on the Integra remote to access the Settings menu. Scroll to Hardware and then press Enter. Then scroll to Works with Sonos and press Enter. Highlight Input Selector and choose the input that your Sonos Connect is plugged into. For our setup, it is CD. Next, highlight Connected Device and press Enter. This will allow you to see all the Sonos devices on the same network as the receiver. Highlight the Sonos Connect that is plugged into the receiver and press Enter. Highlight Output Zone and then select the zone where you want to hear the music from your Sonos app. This can be Main, Zone 2, Zone 3, or all the zones, depending on the receiver model that you have. Now we are going to set the receiver to automatically power on when using Sonos. Return to the Hardware menu and select Power Management. Press Enter and choose Network Standby, then toggle the setting to On. Now we are going to choose a volume setting. Exit to the main Setup menu, then go to Audio Adjust and press Enter. Scroll to Volume and press Enter. Be sure that Volume Display is set to Absolute. Next, scroll to Power On Volume and set to 55. This will be the new default volume level whenever the receiver is powered on. You can adjust this up or down as necessary based on your listening habits. However, you should keep this at a high enough level so that your Sonos app can achieve the volume level range that meets your requirements. Here's a quick tip. You can rename the input that is displayed for the Sonos Connect. This can be done by going into Source in the Setup menu and then selecting Name Edit. We'll change ours from CD to Sonos. You can now press Setup to exit the menu and turn the receiver off. Setup is now complete and you are ready to start using Sonos. Using your Sonos app, select the music you want to listen to and send it to the room where your Integra receiver is located. Your receiver will turn on, automatically go to the Sonos input, and set the volume to the default level we set earlier. We recommend renaming the Sonos Connect to a friendly name like Den or Family Room. This is found in the Sonos app's room settings. Finally, you can group your Integra receiver with other Sonos devices or listen to it by itself. Thanks for watching, and if you need further assistance, please check out our Works with Sonos FAQ or contact our customer experience team.